In today's AI news, a healthcare company called Forward has created a $100 million AI device, Forward CarePod, the world's first AI doctor's office. This fascinating device and its health apps were completely built by a team of world-class doctors from top universities like Harvard, Johns Hopkins, and Columbia. CarePods are AI-powered self-serve healthcare stations that offer advanced diagnostics, personalized health plans, and a premium in-person experience. These pods will be deployed in malls, gyms, and offices, starting in the San Francisco Bay Area, New York, Chicago, and Philadelphia. Forward also offers health apps that address various disease areas and plans to expand its coverage over time. The company aims to tackle the challenges of cost, accessibility, and quality in healthcare through technology. Let's take a look at Forward CarePod, the world's first AI doctor's office. This is not a doctor's office, it's Forward, the world's first AI doctor's office. It all starts with the CarePod, an entirely new approach to healthcare with prevention at its core. With health apps in every category to choose from, we're here to treat the issues of today and prevent the issues of tomorrow. To begin, we will assess your health by delving into your past medical history, current health status, and future wellness goals. Our comprehensive evaluation includes body scans, biometric monitoring, blood tests, genetics, and more. This allows us to understand where you are now, where you want to be, and how we can help you achieve your health objectives. Once we have established your health baseline, we personalize your care by offering curated health apps tailored to your needs. For example, our heart health app is proven to lower blood pressure within 90 days. With in-person and remote biometric monitoring, we can detect heart murmurs and other irregularities, reducing your risk of heart attacks and strokes. Our focus is on keeping you healthy in the long term. We provide apps like the Skin Cancer Scan app, which helps you track and monitor mole growth, skin lesions, and discolorations over time. We also offer a mental health app that provides ongoing guidance and support in monitoring anxiety and depression. Whether you need assistance with weight management, diabetes screening, routine blood draws, COVID-19 testing, or kidney and liver health, we have something for everyone. Our goal is to provide continuous and comprehensive care that addresses your current health concerns and prevents future ones. Discover the world's first AI doctor's office with Forward. Weighing the benefits of CarePod. The CarePod from Forward Healthcare is a groundbreaking medical device with many advantages that are changing how people receive and use healthcare. Fundamentally, this innovative device ushers in a new era of easily accessible healthcare by fusing state-of-the-art artificial intelligence, AI, with medical knowledge. By placing these customized gateways in prime locations like offices, gyms, and malls, healthcare is now more accessible than before. The CarePod's self-serve and AI-powered features, which make it simple for people to take charge of their health journey, are among its main advantages. Users begin a customized health experience the moment they step into the Forward's CarePod. The CarePod can provide individualized health plans, cutting-edge tests, and an exceptional in-person experience. This guarantees that individuals obtain a diagnosis along with valuable information about their health and practical strategies to enhance their quality of life. CarePods reduce the need for several visits by offering a thorough health check in one location, including biometric body scans, blood testing, and illness diagnosis. The advantages of the CarePod ecosystem are increased when health apps are integrated into it. These apps, created by Forward's team of esteemed medical professionals from Harvard and Johns Hopkins, convert clinical knowledge and medical research into easily navigable resources. The app currently covers many disease areas, including diabetes and hypertension, with hopes to add more in the future. Importantly, data generated during a CarePod visit transmits to Forward's platform with ease, allowing for ongoing progress tracking and customized treatment. Vital sign measures, laboratory testing, and sensor data can all be used to identify possible health problems in real time. Through the Forward mobile app, users may access their health data at any time, encouraging empowerment and involvement with their well-being. In conclusion, as we navigate the complexities of the global health crisis, Forward's commitment to reversing the current healthcare trajectory through technology-driven solutions makes it a beacon of hope for a healthier and happier future.
All we have today here at AI Tech Center. Thank you so much for watching. We sincerely appreciate your time and support. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to give it a like. It truly helps us a lot. Please hit the subscribe button to ensure you stay connected with all our latest tech insights. We recommend sharing our content with your friends and colleagues who share a similar passion for AI technology. Watch out for our next video. We promise it will be packed with more interesting tech discussions. Once again, thank you for your time and see you in the next video.